Hello students. So in this video we'll be talking about this program of law which is called IPL, which has been introduced last year by IIM Rohtak. You must be aware of IIMs, and IIM Rohtak is one of the IIM in this country, and it offers one law program, integrated law program of BBA LLB honors. Right now, for this particular course there are two ways of entering into this particular course. That is, there are two entries to this particular course. One is through CLAT, that is CLAT 2025, that was conducted in December, and another is a IPMAT exam that is conducted by IIM Rohtak. You can opt either of them, that is, you can opt one of them. Now, the application has been called for all those who have given CLAT 2025 for this particular program. Those who did not fetch good marks in CLAT 2025, or those who don't want to bring CLAT 2025 scores into consideration but rather want to give IPMAT, I will be talking about that as well. So there are two entries. Right now the applications are open for the first entry. For the second entry, I will talk about how the applications have to be filled. But for those who have given CLAT 2025 and wish to join this particular course at IIM Rohtak, they have to simply log into, they have to simply land at this website, which is IIM Rohtak. Right here, when you will read the notifications, new announcement, you will find the details about the IPL program here. Right now, once you enter this, you have to see there are prerequisites which are given here. All those who have given CLAT 2025, they have to make sure that their application number, which starts with U, that has to be kept with them in order to fill this particular form. Now here there are sign up details. So all these details you have to mention here. You have to mention your application number that starts with U, and then you have to register yourself, and then you have to pay the required admission fee. Now let's talk about the admission procedure. Right, if you click at IPL prospectus, you'll be taken to the prospectus. Now right now here we have the prospectus which talk about this entire program, fee structure, how it will be. In terms of the program structure, it is a 15 terms structure. That is, every year you will be having 3 terms instead of semester system. They have introduced this, and obviously it will be of 3 months duration. Another prerequisite is that in your class 10th or 12th, both you should have scored at least 60% if you are from general category. But if you are from SC/ST category, in that case 55% will be the minimum cutoff. Right, apart from that, there is a maximum age limit. In CLAT, generally we don't have the age limit, but here we have the age limit, that is maximum of 20 years, on which date the cutoff date given here is June 30, 2025. So if your age is less than 20 or up to 20 till June 30, 2025, then you can fill this particular application. Right, I have already shown you the page from where you will be registering yourself and paying the fee. Now what is the fee in this regard? Now let's talk about the fee. Right, along with this particular page itself, there is a fee structure. So if you can see, this is the fee structure. Annually, you will have to pay 6,42,000. In total, that comes to 32,47,450. It's a little bit expensive, but you have to remember that IITs, NLUs, or for that matter, IIMs, NITs, all these are premier institutes, government-run institutes. So definitely, they have their own value. For that reason, I believe that the fee is still justified, given that a lot of private universities charge high fee. Right now, here there is only one option, that is BBA LLB. There is no BLLB honors, obviously, because IIMs are known for their BBA and MBA courses. Right, it's an institute for business management. Now, apart from fee structure, if you look at the another entry that I was talking about, here you can see the stages 1 or 2. Right now, you're filling application for the second one, which is you are trying to get into this particular course through the CLAT 2025 examination that was conducted in December. In case you don't want to consider CLAT score, but rather you want to write the IPMAT exam, in that case IPMAT exam will be conducted, and registration for that will open in February first week. Right, I will show you the important dates, but the second way of getting into this particular course is giving IPMAT exam, wherein all these 4 subjects will be there, that is quantitative ability, logical reasoning, verbal ability, and legal reasoning. Right now, apart from that, this is just an entry-level exam, after which you will have to attend the interviews as well. Right, the weightage of all those things have been given here. Your 10th score will have 10% weightage, your 12th score will have 20% weightage, your personal interview will have 15% weightage, and your entry exam, that is either CLAT or IPMAT, whichever you choose. Presently, the applications are open only for CLAT. Remember this. If you want to write IPMAT, for that we'll bring another video. The the registration for that particular course or exam will start in February or first week of 2025. Right. Apart from that, I will show you the important dates. The application have been open and it will be open till April 19th of April 2025. Right. Those who want to write IPMAT exam, for them the applications will open on February 6th, 2025 and it will close on April 10th, 2025. The IPMAT exam will be conducted on May 5th, 2025 and only after that, right, they will have the results of IPMAT and CLAT. Now they will combine and accordingly they will conduct interviews for both of these students who have entered through CLAT scores or through the IPMAT scores, and based on the interview scores and other weightages of their class 10th, 12th, they will be shortlisted, right? Now, apart from that, one important thing that has to be seen here is, let me just take you to this particular, right, registration guidelines is given. Now, details or things that are required in order to fill this application, these are the basic things: your personal information and all other information. Apart from that, there should be a clear photo of yours, passport size photo in JPG format, and a signed signature of yours in JPG format. Apart from that, as I've told you, 4,937 is the fee. That is closely or roughly around 5,000 rupees for this particular application. Either even if you give the IPMAT exam, which is supposed to be conducted later, for that also the fee will be the same, 4,937 rupees. For that, you can pay through any of these medium, right? Apart from that, your CLAT 2025 application ID starting with U is also very important. If you fill all these details, you will successfully register yourself. Thereafter, IPMAT will be conducted and that scores will be also taken into account. And based on that, shortlisting will be done, a merit list will be done, and a personal interview will be conducted, and the combined scores will be used in order to select students for this particular course. So these are the details of this particular course. If you still have any doubts, you can reach out to us using the comment box. We'll try to answer it if we know about it, or else we'll provide adequate remedy, whatever is required at that particular juncture. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll meet soon.